Understanding, have a good mind to, unraveling its meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language to help you enhance your communication skills. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase, have a good mind to. This expression is a gem in English, showcasing the language's subtlety and depth. Stay tuned as we unravel its meaning, usage, and nuances to help you master it and enrich your English vocabulary. The phrase, have a good mind to, is used to express a strong inclination or a half-formed intention towards doing something, often out of annoyance or frustration. It's a way to convey that someone is very close to deciding to take a specific action but hasn't fully committed yet. This expression adds a layer of complexity to statements, indicating not just the action but the speaker's emotional stance towards it. For example, if someone says, I have a good mind to cancel the trip, it implies they are seriously considering canceling the trip, probably because something upsetting or annoying has happened, though they haven't decided for sure yet. When incorporating have a good mind to into sentences, it's important to follow it with the base form of the verb that describes the action being considered. Here are a few examples to guide you. I have a good mind to tell her the truth about what happened. He had a good mind to quit his job on the spot after the argument with his boss. We have a good mind to write a complaint about the poor service we received. Notice how the phrase can be used in different tenses, have, had, to suit the context of the conversation, whether it's about a present, past, or future consideration. This expression is particularly useful in situations where you want to express a strong temptation or inclination towards an action, especially in moments of frustration or dissatisfaction. However, it's more commonly used in informal conversations and creative writing. In professional or formal settings, it's advisable to choose more straightforward language to convey decisions or intentions. Understanding the context in which to use have a good mind to helps in conveying the right tone and nuance in your communication, making your English more expressive and nuanced. We hope this exploration of the phrase, have a good mind to, has been enlightening and will help you add more depth to your English usage. Whether you're venting frustration, expressing a strong inclination, or contemplating an action, this phrase can add a layer of emotional depth and nuance to your conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to incorporate it into your everyday English. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating world of English language learning.